Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to download and play Fortnite on your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3, and trust me, the process is quite simple. In addition to that, I'm also going to be showing you how to pair a PS5 controller or just any controller with your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3 so that you can actually get the most when playing Fortnite on your headset. And without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. First things first, from the home of your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3, you want to make sure you're connected to the internet. So make sure you go over to the quick settings menu over here, open it up, and then make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. Once that is done, you want to open up the Meta Horizon store where we can actually get the Xbox Cloud Gaming app. So you want to open up this app over here. It is called the Meta Horizon store. If you can't find it from over here, you can go over to the apps library. Open up the apps library and you're going to find the Meta Horizon store over here. Go ahead and open it up. Now once you open it up, this is exactly how it looks like. But what we want to do at this point is to click on the search icon at the top, just like so. And then inside of this input field, you want to go ahead and just search for Xbox. So just type Xbox. Even before we finish typing, you can already see the Xbox Cloud Gaming suggestion over here. You want to select it and then just proceed to select this Xbox app. Then click on the download button, and automatically the Xbox Cloud Gaming app will start downloading and installing into your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3. Once it is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. And basically what you want to do at this point is to click on the Get Started button. At this point, you'll be required to connect a controller to the Xbox Cloud Gaming app. But you don't want to do that now. First of all, you want to click on the dismiss button over here, then click on the profile icon at the top right corner. This will actually require us to create a Microsoft account and log into the Xbox Cloud Gaming app on our Meta Quest 3S or our Meta Quest 3. So click on the sign in button. Meanwhile, if you do not already have a Microsoft account, you can go ahead and create one using your phone, then sign in into the Meta Quest 3S or the Meta Quest 3 from here. But I already have mine, so I'll just go ahead and enter my email or my phone number. Okay, so I have just successfully signed into my Microsoft account. I'll just click on the yes button now to be signed in. And just like so, I should now have access to Xbox Cloud Gaming. Click on the accept button at the top over here, and you can literally see my profile icon at the top as well. Now, in order for you to enjoy playing Fortnite on your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3 using the Xbox Cloud Gaming, it is very important that you connect a controller to your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3. And to connect a controller, all you just have to do now is to click on the quick settings menu over here, and then you want to click on Bluetooth. I am currently recording, so if I click on Bluetooth, I won't be able to find any device. It is just going to show blank. But once you click on Bluetooth, also make sure that your controller is on pairing mode. For a PS5 controller, all you just have to do is to long press on the PlayStation button and the share button until you see the light on your controller blinking, meaning that it is now on pairing mode. And then from the Bluetooth settings of your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3, you should now be able to find your PS5 wireless DualSense controller. Now, once you select your PS5 wireless DualSense controller and you have successfully paired, all you just have to do is to go ahead and just click on the Xbox Cloud Gaming app. And from now, you should now be able to navigate through the Xbox Cloud Gaming using your PS5 controller. And because Fortnite is free to play on the Xbox Cloud Gaming app, you just have to go ahead and select Fortnite over here. I already have my Fortnite account logged in as well on this account. If you're playing Fortnite for the first time, you will actually be required to create a Fortnite account with Epic Games. Currently, I am holding my PS5 controller and I should be able to play Fortnite now. And just to show you everything, I'm going to put this on the pass-through feature, so you can literally see I am holding my PS5 controller and I'm currently being able to navigate through Fortnite. And if I want to play some games, I'll just click on play over here, and you can see that this works absolutely well with my PS5 controller. I'll go ahead and put it on the pass-through feature now, just like so. And that is basically how to download and play Fortnite on your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.